Welcome, guys. So we had an interesting week in the stock market this past week, but that didn't slow me down, guys. So let's take a look at what I will be looking at this upcoming week. It is March 19, 2018. So let's get to it. But first, let's take a look at last week's picks. First up is DHI, currently down 1.8%, which is not too bad for this past few days that the market has been a little funky. But I do believe it should be going back up, so I am keeping that one on my watch list. Next up is KBH. It's currently down 3.24 from last week. That one is no longer a buy for me, so I'm putting that one in the sidelines. I don't like the chart anymore. It's still a great company, but I'm just gonna put it in the sidelines for now. And last up, we got SHO, which is up 0.67%. That one still shows great potential, and that one is definitely on my watch list, and I'm definitely keeping an eye on that one as well. So I have a few updates on what I've bought and sold. First off, we got FNSR, and I sold that one at 19.13 for a gain of 0.68. Now guys, this one hit all my targets. So exactly what I said it would do, it did. It should have given me a 10.5% return, but I got greedy, guys. And this is what happens when you get greedy, from 10.5% to 0.68%. So just keep that in mind. Next up, we got CORT, C-O-R-T, and I sold that one at 17.55. I did expect that one to go all the way up to I think it was 20 or 21. And I did get a 14.86 return on it. It kept going up. After that, I got a little scared and I sold it a little too early. Per my rules, I shouldn't have sold it because it kept going up, but I got a little scared. So sometimes that's what happens, but I ended up getting a 14.86 return, which is pretty good. Right now it's up 21%. So I missed out in a return of 6% and change. But that was one of the ones I was really interested in, but got scared, sold it, didn't follow my rules, and I missed out in 6%. So again, another example why following the rules is very important. And I ended up buying BCC at 41.23, and I ended up buying DNKN at 59.73, and I'll be going over those on the top 3 picks of the week for me. So let's get to those. So we start with my first pick of the week, which is Boys Cascade Company, ticker symbol BCC. And as I mentioned earlier, I bought that one at $41.23, planning to sell at $44 for a profit of 6.72%. Now it's currently trading below the purchase price at $40.80 or something like that. But it's just because of the market has been a little funky these past few days, so I'm not really worried. I still have faith in the company. Now in the news, it recently acquired Lumberman's wholesale distributor, which I think is something good. And then also there was a couple ratings, analyst ratings, they kept it at neutral. So that didn't really affect much on the price. And I am not waiting for anything because I already purchased it. And we move on to the second pick of the week, which is Dunkin' Brand Group, ticker symbol DNKN, better known as Dunkin' Donuts. So one of my favorite treats, donuts, guys. So I bought that one at $59.73, as I mentioned earlier, planning to sell at $64 for a profit of 7.14%. Now I do think there is a great possibility it will run up higher than the 64 mark, but I always like to be conservative. So I will take another look if it does reach that point and review my purchase on this company. So recently in the news, there was a mobile ordering app that just was released, and that should bring in more sales. That's what I think. I think they're a little bit too late to the mobile app ordering system, but it's better late than never, guys. As you guys can see with Toys R Us, they never updated anything. So we're waiting for nothing because I already purchased it. And we move on to my third pick of the week that I will be looking at this week. Innoviva Inc., ticker symbol INVA. Now guys, this one I'm really interested in, and I'm really keeping a close eye on this one. Usually when I say that, they tend to run up in the past. So we'll see what happens with this one. But I'll be planning to buy this one at $16, sell at $17 for a profit of 6.25. I think that's a conservative amount, and I do think it will be much more than that. So I'm keeping a super close eye on this one. I really like this one. So what I would be waiting for is for it to go up to confirm it will keep going up. And the next few days are going to be funky because the Feds are talking on Wednesday. So I do think we're going to have another red day on Tuesday, tomorrow, and possibly Wednesday. I think everything will start picking up on Thursday and Friday. So I wouldn't make any big moves the next few days. I'm just going to stay by the sidelines and hold on to whatever I have. Anything on the news on this company? Not really, so it's none. As I mentioned before, guys, I know we had a funky week in the stock market, but I am not scared. I am moving forward, but always still be cautious and just look at what's going on around the world and with the markets and subsectors and just overall everything. So just keep your eyes and ears open at all times. But I'm not scared. Well, I hope you guys liked today's video. Please leave a comment down below. And while you're down there, might as well just click the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Ciao.